What if the cash in your wallet disappeared, and every dollar you owned lived inside your phone, controlled by the government? That's not science fiction. It's the future of money. And it's called Central Bank Digital Currency, or CBDC. So, what exactly is a CBDC? Think of it as digital cash issued directly by your country's central bank. Just like paper money, but completely electronic. It's not Bitcoin. It's not a stable coin. It's government money in digital form. With regular money, or fiat, we use banks to move money around. Transfers can take days, and international payments can be expensive. With CBDCs, transfers are instant, cheap, and traceable. You could send money across the world in seconds, straight from your phone. So why do we even need CBDCs? Governments say they'll make payments faster, help people without bank accounts, fight fraud and money laundering, and make it easier to send out government aid or stimulus directly. Sounds great, right? But there's another side. Because every CBDC transaction can be tracked, it gives governments full visibility into how money moves. That means no privacy, and potentially programmable money. Imagine digital dollars that can expire, or money that can only be spent on certain things. That's the power and the risk of CBDCs. Countries like China are already testing the digital yuan. Nigeria has the Naira, and Europe is working on the digital euro. Others, like the US and Canada, are studying it carefully. Experts say within the next 10 to 20 years, most nations will have some version of a digital currency. But here's the twist. CBDCs won't run on Bitcoin or Ethereum. They'll use private blockchains, controlled by central banks. So they use blockchain technology, but not decentralization. When CBDCs launch, your bank app might show a new option: convert to digital dollars. You'll be able to swap your regular balance for CBDCs instantly. Over time, your paycheck, your rent, and your savings could all move into digital form automatically. The idea of money is changing, from paper to plastic to pure code. CBDCs promise speed, security, and inclusion. But they also raise new questions about freedom and control. So the next time you hear about digital money, remember, the future of finance isn't just about crypto. It's about who controls the money itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, simple breakdowns of how money is changing.